Hello Kishore, good evening. How are you doing? Hello Vidya, good evening to you as well. Welcome to the class. How many parts remaining for sets? So set का previous year questions का discussion, that is question का discussion, will be done by today. Okay, but I'll be doing one short video class for the whole chapter for set theory. Okay, that will be done soon. But more question discussions will not be done. Set is more than enough. No Vidya, I do not know Telugu. Hello Elon Musk. Yes, Vidya, you have said the correct thing. I am. What about you? Where are you from? Yes, Kishore, sets is very important for JEE. I do agree with you, but it is closely linked with functions chapter, relations and functions. So one shot we will do in which questions will be done and the theory part will be also completed, and 2 sessions, part 1 and part 2, for questions alone we have done. And if necessary or if you feel like more set theory ka sessions are necessary, you can let me know through the comment box, okay, where I'll be scheduling classes accordingly. Okay, good. Happy to know that, Vidya. So shall we start or should we wait for others to join? Ask your friends also to join. It is no fun to be doing questions with more company, right? The more people we have, it will be more fun and interactive sessions where we feel like, yes, we are doing more things, and you can compare how fast you are doing. Yes, Kishore, we are doing and promoting from our part. What we want you people to do is that share as much as you can among your friends to promote this channel as well. This is especially for the English non-Hindi speaking students. Okay, whomsoever want the classes to be in English, that for especially taking into consideration of that motto, we have considered this channel. So it's your duty as well to help us promote it. Okay. So shall we start? Where are you from, Kishore? Hi, Annamalai. Hello to you as well, dear. Welcome to the class. Yes, master. So, as you know, this is the second part of set theory chapter. Okay, we have done few questions in the first lecture. So, this is the second lecture where we will be doing more questions. You are from Telangana. Okay, nice. So, let me start this session with a brief introduction about myself. I am Alaka, your mathematics educator in Unacademy. I have completed my masters from Manipal Institute of Technology. I have more than 5 years of teaching experience, and if you want to reach out to me, you can either use my Instagram handle or my Telegram handle. Also, if you want to get updates regarding the classes in this channel, I want all of you to like this video and subscribe to the channel JEE Prep English. And for subscription purpose, you can use the code Alaka Live. Correct pronunciation. Yes, Namale. Oh, you are from Hyderabad, Kishore. Good. Good to hear that. So also there are a few promotions and announcements to be made. Like on October 30th, our JEE Prep Excel schedule has been scheduled. That is, the guidance from top rankers and educators will be talking to you about your preparation strategy, counseling and academic planning. The session will start from 10 a.m. and will extend till 1:15 p.m. in which 2 sessions will be considered. Your invite code will be Alaka Live, where you can enroll for free. And also the session will, as I told you, will be conducted in 2 different parts, where the first part or the first session will be especially for the class 10th and 11th standard kids, which will start at time 10 a.m. and the second session will be specially for the class 12th standard kids and the dropper kids, which will start from 11:45 onwards. So I want all of you to join. This is a very interesting and very much required session for all of you. All your doubts will be clarified. And T20 test series has been running in Unacademy app from 6:30 p.m. to 7 p.m. 30 minutes every day, and there will be separate exam for 2022, 23 and 24 aspirants. 20 questions will be asked you, in which your rewards will be Amazon gift vouchers and scholarships. Do not miss out this chance. You can use the code Alaka Live for enrolling for free. It is totally free exam. Utilize that part. And dropper batches are starting from today. 3 new batches are being launched with the following set of faculty, the second batch and the third batch. So those who are interested and those who are the dropper kids, I want all of you to register for the same and start your preparation from today onwards. And our JEE advanced results has come, and this is our Unacademy champions. You can see a lot of students who have scored really good ranks. And if you are also a champion and want to be in our rankers list, you're supposed to drop down in the description box your details. Okay, or reach out to Unacademy helpline number. So are you all ready? Yes, master. Today's session is just about question discussion, but in the upcoming sessions we will be conducting one-shot lectures or the required number of lectures for the important chapters as well. Okay, so if you want any particular chapter to be discussed in detail, do let me know through the comment box so that I can take care of the same. You want to join in Plus, but most of the classes are in Hindi. Do not worry, dear. There are a lot of faculties and educators who take their classes in English. You'll have to just reach out to them and they can guide you for the same. Hello, crazy embroidery workers. You're back. Welcome to the class. So, are you all ready? Shall we start doing the questions? Ready for your first question? After taking classes for so long, the whole day, today itself, this is my 4th session. Okay, so my voice is a bit disturbed, but do not worry. My voice will reach out to you. Nothing to worry about that. Just that you just keep giving me the responses. Okay, so that I know that we are having that communication, interaction is still intact. Okay, so ready for the first question? Yes, master says yes. So let us go for the first question. Question number 1, all of you, try to do it. Try to do it, and if you're getting the answer, do let me know through the comment box. So the first question states that the number of integral values of x. So x should have integer values, okay, satisfying the inequality. So you should satisfy the inequality given below, okay, given in the question, and the x values should be integer values. Try to do this question. If you have any doubt, do ask me through the comment box. I can help you. Or if you want me to solve it, do let me know. Otherwise, I'll give you say 2 minutes. Try it. Try on your own. Even if you are getting stuck halfway through, there is no issues, no problem. But trying to do on your own is very important. Yes, Kishore. Time is all yours. Take out the time and try to get the answer. And in between, if you are finding any difficulty, do let me know. Hello, MX Gaming YouTube. Welcome to the class, dear. Integer values or integral values of x satisfying the inequality. Kishore, very good. Kishore has got the correct answer. That is 5. Option 1. Let me start explaining. Shall I? You want to talk with me regarding JEE 2022. What is your concern, dear? So option 1. Master, it is option 1. 5 is the answer. The number of integral values of x is 5. 5 different values of x we are getting. I'll tell you how we are getting this. Those who did not get the answer, listen. This is the inequality which is given. What can you observe here? Observe the denominator part. Okay. From the denominator part, very good. Those are the values Kishore. So from the denominator part, we can clearly see that the denominator can never be equal to 0, right? That is not satisfied. Okay. Set theory is this chapter. MX Gaming. Okay. So that means x can never have the values. Say from here you will get -2 and from the second part you will get -3. Okay. X can never have the values -2 and -3. Why? Because at these values your denominator value becomes equal to 0, which is not possible. Okay. Now concentrating on the numerator part. What is the numerator? X square plus 6x minus 7. Okay. This numerator value, if it is less than 0, then the whole fraction will be less than 0. Am I right? Why? Because the denominator, both the denominator values are modulus functions given. Okay. So if I am factorizing this numerator, what will I get? X plus 7 multiplied with x minus 1 to be less than 0. Okay. Which implies x belongs to which all values? For the values it is less than 0. There is no equal to sign. That means x can have the values from -7 to +1. But here what you have to remember is that it cannot have the values -2 or -3 as we already stated. That means we have to remove the values set of -2, -3, which implies x can have the values. Which all values x can have? X can have the values, or x is equal to, you can write. 1 second. Yes. X can have the values -6, -5, -4, -3 not possible, -2 also not possible, -1, 0 and 1 is also not included. Both are in open bracket. Why is it? Because it is less than 0 symbol. There is no equal to sign given. So there is no close bracket included. So how many values are there? 5 values you can see in total for x, which is option 1. Got it? Understood? Any doubt? Any doubt in the first question? Clear? No doubts. Perfect. Moving on to your second question. Question number 2. Yes, MX Gaming. Ma'am, is it mains? Are you asking these questions are of mains level? So what you have to understand here is that MX Gaming, I'm telling you, the set theory chapter is very closely linked, or the fundamental part of relations and functions chapter, which is very important for your mains as well as for your advance. Okay, so knowing these questions and answering these questions are very important. Okay. Yes, Kishore, if you observe, only for set theory, set chapter, previous year questions you cannot find much. So I could find only say 2 questions which I've already discussed in the first session of today. Okay, which has already been discussed. You can check for yourself in the previous class, previous video. Okay, so more questions I couldn't find from exactly previous year question paper, but these questions are parts of the previous year questions of mains and advance. Okay. Okay, MX Gaming and Master 08 and also Kishore has come up with the solution that number of solutions will be 1. That is option 2. How many of you agree with that? Anyone who's not agreeing with that? Well, as you know, you should agree because that is the correct answer. Now, how do you do it? They have asked for number of solutions of the equation. This is the equation given. So what is the equation? 2 minus mod x ka modulus is equal to x plus 4. Okay. So what is it? Either you can say 2 minus mod x, either the value, positive value, or okay, mod x, the negative value I am going to substitute in my LHS, minus 2 will be equal to x plus 4. So either of the 2 cases will happen when I am getting rid of my modulus symbol. Okay. So for this part, okay, for this part, if I am considering the x value, what will I get? 2 minus x to be equal to x plus 4. Okay. From where I will be getting the x value to be equal to minus 1. Okay. And if you observe, minus 1, if I am substituting in my given equation, what will happen in the given equation? If I am substituting, I will get mod of 2 minus mod of minus 1 is plus 1 itself, okay, will be equal to minus 1 plus 4. That is, you will get 1 equal to 3, which is not possible. So, the value x equal to minus 1 is not considered. It is neglected. Ignore. Ignore this value. Now coming to the second part, the second equation. Okay, so after solving this equation, what will you get? You will be getting minus, this is the negative part of the modulus. Okay, negative part of the modulus. So minus x, it will open to minus 2 equals to x plus 4. Okay, so you will be getting x value to be equal to what? If you observe and calculate, you will get x value to be equal to minus 6 upon 2, which is minus 3. Okay, if I substitute minus 3 in my given equation, I will get the equation is satisfied. That is, say for example 2 minus mode of minus 3 is plus 3. Uska modulus will be equal to minus 3 plus 4, which is 1 equal to 1, satisfied. So this is my only solution of x to be considered for this particular equation, which is option 1. Okay. Yes. Any doubt? No doubts. Perfect. Next question. The third question. Question number 3. Okay, Kishore. Good. If you have taken the approach for graphical approach, well and good, Kishore. Try to do this question. The solution set of inequality. Solution set is the question. Inequality is given to you. Once you get the answer, do let me know. If you have any doubt, be free to ask. So MX Gaming has come up with one solution. Anyone else with any other solutions? Kishore has also agreed with the same solution. That is option 3. Anyone who's getting any other answers? Yes, very good, Kishore and MX. The correct option is option 3. Very good, you have got the correct answer. So this is the inequality given. So how do we solve it? For the students who did not get the answer, let me explain it. So given that x plus 2 ka modulus minus x upon x less than 2 is the inequality given. So let me take the 2 value for my LHS. So I will be getting x plus 2 ka mod minus x upon x minus 2 to be less than 0. After doing the LCM, what will you get? You will be getting x plus 2 ka mod minus x minus 2x upon x less than 0. So I am explaining each and every step. You shouldn't have any confusions, I believe. So you will get mod x plus 2 minus 3x upon x to be less than 0. So here what you have to concentrate is on the numerator, because denominator is just x. Okay, so let my numerator, that is mod x plus 2 minus 3x, I am supposed to find the solution set, right? I am going to equate it equal to 0, because in order to get the solution set, I am going to equate it equal to 0. So what I will get? Mod x plus 2 to be equal to 3x, which implies okay, x plus 2 to be equal to plus or minus 3x. After solving, you will get x value to be equal to 1 you will get. Okay, now if I am representing using wavy curve method, I have one solution to be 0 and the other value of x is 1, in which 1 cannot be included because less than value. Okay, there is no okay, let me draw it again. Okay, consider this a straight line. Okay, So you have the values 0 and 1, where both 0 and 1 are not included because of the less than only sign. Okay, so plus, minus, plus, and it is less than 0. Okay, less than 0 value is given. Okay, less than 0 value. Wait, mod value, right? So you will be having the other one. Yes, so minus, plus, minus, where the negative part we are supposed to consider, you will be getting what? You will be getting minus infinite to 0, okay, union 1 to infinite. In open brackets it will be, not in closed bracket, hence option 3. Yes, Kishore. Harsha, your name is, okay. Mr. Jenish, hello dear. So ready for the next question? Question number 4. Yes? Is it a yes? Tell me. Question 4, all of you. Yes, that's the spirit, Kishore. Well done. You have been getting all the correct answers, I believe, right? For past 3 questions, you have got it correct. The number of integral roots. The number of integral roots. The number of integral roots of this is integral roots they have asked. That means the roots value or the x value should be integer values. The number of integral roots. If you need any help, do ask. Once you get the answer, post your correct answer in the comment box. And do not forget to like the video. Like the video, click on the subscribe button for JEE Prep English. This is going to be a really good channel for the non-Hindi speaking students. You're gonna feel much comfortable with classes, I can assure you that. Any answers yet? It's okay, Tanisha. We have done, Tanish. We have completed 3 questions. Chinmaya, option number you're telling or the value, number of integral roots you're telling? So Kishore says option 4. What about others? Master says, is it the option number or the number of roots? Option 4 again, okay. What about you, Chinmaya? Were you trying to tell the option number? Tanish also says option 4. Chinmay, I believe even you were trying to tell the answer is 3. There are 3 roots, integral roots, and it is option 4. Answer is 3. Yes, 3 integral roots are there. Very good. Very good to all of the students. Correct answer. So the correct option is option 4, that is 3 integral roots. So I don't know whether you need the explanation or not, but for the future use for the rest of the students, I believe I should be explaining this question. Okay? Yes, Kishore, exactly, those are the values. Inequalities. It's equation, dear. Okay, anyways, let me explain this. So given that mod x minus 1 into x square minus 2 mod is equal to 2. Okay, so that means either of the mode should have the value 2 or 1. Okay, for x to be integral, that is the asked value, right? Integral values of x. Okay, so it should be either mod x minus 1 equals to 1, then in that case mod x square minus 2 will be equal to 2, or okay, mod x minus 1 should be equal to 2, in that case mod x square minus 2 will be equal to 1. Okay, now from the first part, what can I get? I will be getting, say, x value to be either equals to plus 1 minus 1 will give you 0 and 2 as the solution, and from the second part I will get my x value to be plus 2 minus 2 will give you 0 or plus or minus 2, because it is square root that we are going to consider. Okay, so yes, again from the second part, this is OR. Okay, from the second part I will get plus or minus 2 here, from which x value I will get either equals to minus 1 or 3, and here I will get x value plus or minus 1 will give you, one value will be root plus or minus root 3. I believe I do not have to write that because they have clearly asked for integral roots. Okay, and the other one will be plus or minus 1. Okay, now substituting these values, I will be getting the solutions, integral solutions, which will satisfy my given equation. So the solutions are, number of solutions they have asked. So the solutions are, so if I am considering, say, starting from 0, I will start. Okay, 0 if I am substituting, 0 minus 1, mod of minus 1 is 1. Okay, this would be 2. 1 into 2, you will get 2, satisfied, so 0 is a value. Then 2, consider 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Okay, 2 square is 4, 4 minus 1, 4 minus 2 is also 2. So even that is satisfied. Minus 2 value if I am substituting, minus 2 in minus 1 will be minus 3. Okay, and then you will be getting whatever value it is, for sure minus 2 will not be satisfied, right? So ignore the value minus 2. It is not giving or satisfying your equation. Then I have minus 1. Substituting minus 1, again I will be getting 2. So minus 1 is also satisfied. Whereas 3 is not satisfied. Also plus 1 is not satisfying your equation. So there are total 3 solutions. Hence option 4 is your answer. Well done. Very good work all of you. Perfect. Ready for your next question? Question number 5. Ready? Yes. Question number 5. Try to do this question, all of you. That's the spirit. Kishore. I think there is some connection problem as well, because Kishore is also replying, even you are. So sum of the solutions of this equation. Sum of the solutions of this equation. If you are getting the answer, do let me know through the comment box. Sum of the solutions of the equation. If you have any doubt, do ask. Very good, Kishore. Anyone else? Kishore and very good. Kishore and Tanish has got the correct answer. Yes, that is the correct step also, Kishore. Very good. And the correct option is option 3. 0 will be the sum of the solutions. Yes, very good. So let me explain for others who did not get the answer. So the given equation is mod x cube minus 4 mod x square plus 3 mod x equals to 0. Taking mod x common outside, you will be getting mod x square minus 4 mod x plus 3 to be equal to 0. So the in bracket ka inside, the term or the equation inside the bracket is easily factorizable. So you have mod x multiplied with what it will be, mod x minus 3, okay, into mod x, yes, mod x minus 1, which will be equal to 0. Okay, I believe there are no doubts here. So from here you will get your mod x value to be either equal to 0 or 1 or 3, which implies what will be your x values? 0 plus 1 plus 3 minus 1 minus 3. The sum of the solutions is the question. The sum of the solutions will be what? It will be 0 plus 1 plus 3 minus 1 minus 3, which is finally equal to 0. Well done. Good work. Yes. Ready for your sixth question, all of you? Ready? I can see students are making a great progress. You are all getting the correct answer throughout. It's a great sign. Happy. Yes, question number 6 is on your screen. Very simple question. It just looks complicated but very simple to answer. In one step you can get it. Try to get the answer and tell me what will be the correct option. Yes, Kishore, I can see that as well. And with very accurate answers you are giving me. Actually, I'm very happy. When compared to the first session, the response I'm getting and the students who are getting the correct answers, that has improved. That matters actually. Well done. Especially Kishore and Tanish. Good question, simple question, easy to answer, and can be asked for mains as well. When will be theory? Okay, you all need the theory class, I believe. Yes, it is a bit lengthy. You have to be a bit careful, but after that one step you will be getting the correct and final answer. So Janish, do not worry. If all of you need set theory chapter ka one shot, okay, one lecture, if you want to just revise this chapter, do let me know. We will be conducting a class for that. Thank you, dear. Okay, so if you are needing a brief theory classes where in one shot we are discussing all of the portions of the particular chapters, if you want that, do let me know through the comment box and we will be arranging classes accordingly. What about you, Tanish? What is your answer? Kishore says option 3. Yes, Janish, we will do that. Option 1, easy but scary. Okay, my dear. You have gone wrong, Tanish. Check where you went wrong. Or do you need... perfect. Very good, Tanish and Kishore. Correct answer. Option 3 is the correct one. I'll show you how to do this. So, typing mistake. Koi problem nahi. So, yes. Oh, straight lines is very hard with me, I guess. So, yeah, comparatively better. Yes. So, what are the roots or the values of x that is satisfying your equation will be starting from minus 9. Okay, here minus 9. Then we have minus 8. Okay, so this and this done. And then we have plus 5, plus 6, plus 1, plus 3, plus 2, 0. Then we have 0. Then we have plus 1. Okay, 0, plus 1. Then 2, 3, 2, 3, 5 and 6. So everything is done. Okay, right? Perfect. Let me just remove them. Okay, now for wavy curve method, we start from the rightmost edge with a positive sign, and for 6, x equal to 6 is x minus 6 to the power of 1. So the odd power, the sign changes. Again, for x minus 5, it is to the power of an odd number. So again, sign changes. Again, x minus 3 has a power of odd. Again, sign changes. Again, x minus 2 has an odd power. So sign changes. X minus 1 has an odd power. So again, sign changes. X being equal to 0, It has an even power, so the sign remains the same. Again, x plus 8 to the power of an even number, so the sign remains the same. And x plus 9 to the power of an even number, again the sign remains the same. I believe all of you have got the same. Okay. Oh, it does not take much time, Kishore, trust me. Okay, it does not. When compared to solving a question, wavy curve method is much easier and is reducing your time by 1/8, I should say. Okay. So now if we are considering what? Less than or equal to 0. So from here you have to consider the denominator values and the numerator values. So x equal to minus 9 is in denominator, so the value shouldn't be included. X equals to minus 8 is in numerator, so the value can be included. X equals to 0 is in denominator, so 0 cannot be included. Whereas 1 is in numerator, so can be included. 2 is in denominator, 3 is in denominator, both cannot be included. 5 is in numerator, can be included, and 6 cannot be included since it is in denominator. So the value of or the complete solution is x belongs to what? You have minus infinite to minus 9 in open bracket. Okay, since 9 is not included. Okay, so it is from here till here, then this to this, and this to this. Okay, these are the required regions for us. So since 9 is not included, that is why we are stopping here. Union minus 9 to 0, even in simple open bracket. Okay, union 0 to 1 open and closed bracket here because 1 is included. Okay, union 2 to 3 simple brackets or open bracket because 2 and 3 both are not included, and union 5 to 6 where 5 is in closed bracket and 6 open bracket. 5 included, 6 not. Okay, so option 3 is your correct answer. Oh, I believe none of you can see what I have written. Now is it fine? Can you all see it properly? Better? Yes. Chalo, shall we move on to the next question? Ready? Simple and very interesting question we have next. Moving on to your 7th question. That's the spirit, Kishore. Is that you in your DP? Kishore? Is that you in your DP? Such sweet face you have. Hello, Venki. Try to do this question, all of you. Your brother is very sweet, dear. Younger brother? Nice. Try to do this question. The solution of the inequality. Solution of the inequality. Simple, but good question. Solving such questions will make your building blocks for functions, relations and functions chapter. Once you become thorough and easy to tackle such questions, these are part of your functions chapter questions. Most of 90% of the questions will be coming across such patterns after 2-3 steps. Once you get the answer, do tell me. Got it, Kishore? What is the option? Okay, Kishore says option 1. What about others? Those who are coming new to the class, like the video, subscribe JEE Prep English and try to do this question. Tanish also says option 1. Anyone else who wants to answer? Or anyone who's not agreeing with both of them? I believe not. Because it is the correct option. Very good. Both Kishore and Tanish. Option 1 is the correct option. Let us see how to do this question. So, you have the equation to be, inequality to be x plus 7 upon x minus 5 plus, exactly Kishore, 3x plus 1 upon 2 to be greater than or equal to 0. Cross multiplying or finding out the LCM at LHS, you will be getting 2x plus 14 plus 3x square minus 14x minus 5 upon 2 times x minus 5 to be greater than or equal to 0. So here we have, one second, here we have say 3x square minus 12x plus 9 after solving, okay, upon 2 times x minus 5 to be greater than or equal to 0. Taking 3 common outside, one second Tanish, let me just finish explaining this question. You will be getting x square minus 4x plus 3 upon twice of x minus 5 to be greater than or equal to 0. Now 3 by 2 will get cancelled. You will be getting x square minus 4x plus 3 upon x minus 5 greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Factorizing the numerator, you will get x minus x minus 3 into x minus 1 upon x minus 5 is greater than or equal to 0. Okay. Now, using baby curve method, we have 1, 3, 5 plus minus plus minus, okay, greater than, right? So, it is the positive regions that we are looking forward to, in which 1 and 3 are included, whereas 5 comes in the denominator part, it cannot be included, okay. So, from here you will get the x value to be equal to, okay, x value to be equal to belonging to 1 to 3, okay, union 5 to infinite, where 5 not included. That is option, what was the option? Yes, option 1. Yes, so make a Telegram group for posting PDFs and notes. Okay, Tanish, I believe there are groups in which the following updates have been given, is it not? Timing for the classes. So, Annamalai, it would be better if you are subscribing to JEE Prep English, where you will be getting notification regarding the upcoming classes. And Tanish, after the class, in the description box, you will be, or after a while, you will be able to get the PDF file of the same. Okay? And Tanish, if you observe, set chapter. As such, do not have much previous year questions, but it is a very important chapter making foundation to especially the chapter relations and functions. Okay. So two previous year questions where I could find, which has been discussed already in the previous lecture. Yes, Annamalai, good. So you can do one thing, you can follow my Telegram and Instagram handles where you will be getting updates regarding my upcoming classes as well for YouTube. For YouTube, it would be better if you are following my Instagram handle. I'll give you the details. Yes, Instagram handle, Alaka and Educator. Okay. Any other queries? Kishore, we are done. It's already 9 p.m. right? We are done for today. We'll be seeing soon with more classes. So next class, what do you want? Set theory chapter ka one shot lecture you want, or we'll move on to the next chapter, previous year questions discussion. Thank you, Anamale. So what do you want? Set theory chapter. Okay, PYQs you want. Kishore want previous equations. So I'll choose next chapter. Say functions chapter I'll choose. One shot of just what is in chapter. Okay. So yeah, let me consider that. Otherwise, I'll do one thing, set and functions chapter together. I'll try to take the most, compact, shortest class possible. I am not sure whether it will be done in one lecture. Okay, it might extend to 2 lectures minimum. Tanish, these revision is going on for the JEE Mains 2022. Which is to be conducted in January, right? So we don't have much time to do 50 to 100 PYQs for one chapter. Okay. Yes, time gone very fast, right? 1 hour to easily gone. Chalo. So most probably I'll be doing a one shot. I don't think it will be covered in one shot, how much it is possible. But I'll try to make a short theory class if that is what you people are really needing. Okay. Thank you, Anamale. Okay. So chalo, you can follow my Instagram handle where I'll be giving updates regarding my YouTube classes. Okay. Also my Telegram. Chalo. Bye bye all. Take care. I'll see you all for the next class. Thank you so much, Anamale, Kishore, Tanish, and one more student was there. Where is he? Yes, Janish, for attending the class and getting all the questions correct. You have done whole Akash material. That's good, Tanish. So are you planning to revise on the same material, or you're planning to explore for new materials? Since you asked for one-shot lectures and was planning to give, otherwise the only thing we are planning to concentrate on is for previous year questions. Okay, Tanish? Thank you, Anamale. So if you do not want one-shot lectures, it's very simple. We can just concentrate on previous year questions. Okay. So more discussion about that we'll do in the upcoming classes. So I have to wind up now. It's already 9 p.m. I'll see you all for the next class. Chal. Bye-bye. Take care.